Hi everyone, for today's video I'm going to be doing a review, setup, and testing on this Calado Smart Air Purifier. So I purchased this from Amazon. This is currently listed at $119, but they have a $40 coupon, so it ended up to be $79. This Smart Air Purifier is rated for a large room up to 1,300 square feet. It is an H13 True HEPA filter, and it can remove up to 99.97% of particles, pet, allergens, and smoke, as well as dust. It have a 25 decibel on low fan noise, and it has a CADR, or clean air delivery rate, of 141 CFM. According to their listing, this can clean up to 350 square foot room in 18 minutes, 520 square foot for 30 minutes, or 1,300 square foot every hour. The good thing about this purifier is that you can purchase the filter directly from Amazon, and it's currently priced at $39 for two filters, because this purifier actually uses two sets of filters, so one for the left and one on the right side. So before we start the setup, please make sure to click the like button below to help this video trend higher in YouTube algorithm, and also click the subscribe button to help my channel. And let's get started. So this is the box that came with it, and when you open it, this is the unit that you'll get, and it comes with this power adapter. And I measured this cord. This is actually 6 feet from here to right here. So just the cord itself is 6 feet exactly. And it also comes with a user manual, and also a reminder that you need to remove the filter plastic before you start using it, because the filter on this is sealed. If you get one that already have an open filter, that means you got a returned product. So this is the top of the purifier. If you look here, you'll have a touch button right here. You have the power button, you have the auto button, you have the fan speed. So I believe you have a 5-speed selection here, and you have the sleep mode, you have the timer button, and you have a filter change reminder right here. The filters have an estimated life of 3,000 hours. So basically, this reminder here is based on the number of hours you have this unit on. So that does not necessarily mean that that's the time you have to replace a filter, because it depends on your environment. You may have to replace the filter sooner, or you may be able to extend the life of the filter if you have a really clean environment. So, but before we turn it on, we would like to remove the filter first. So to remove the filter, you can put this upside down, or I'll just put it on the side so that the camera could see it. And basically, you just unlock this and open it. And you can see right now there is two filters on it, okay? So each filter comes with the pre-filter, HEPA filter, the paper pleats here are the HEPA filter, and in the back you'll see the activated carbon filter. So let me go ahead and open this. So this is how it looks like when no plastic, and it's nice. And you can see that you have an installation direction here, so make sure this is on top. And when you install it, make sure that the white side is facing the side of your unit. So I'm going to go ahead and install it like this. Okay, I'll remove the other one. Again, I'll look at the arrow here to make sure that the white side is facing the side of the unit. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead and put this thing back in. So if you look here, it have contact right here. So make sure the contact is also going to the contact here. So let's go ahead and do that. And if you look over here, once you plug it in, you're going to have a red light in the power button. So all you need to do is click that. So now that we have it set up, I would like you to look at the bottom right here, because this is where the night light is. So I'm going to turn on the ambient light. See that? You have 3 levels of brightness. So it's really nice. So you can turn the night light on so you're not tripping at night when you have to get out of bed. So now I'd like to show you this. So you can see right now my the PM 2.5 value is 16. And if I look at the manual, basically blue light means I have good air quality. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray this Lysol Nutra Air into the room and see how fast this thing will change. So it was 16 earlier and I did spray some of this. It went up and then now it's back to 18. So let me go spray some of this again and see how fast it changes. You can see right now the number is going up and it switches to red and it's adjusted the fan speed from number 2 to number 4. And you can hear the fan is pretty loud at number 4 right now. So now it's back to blue light and the PM 2.5 value is 21. So it switches from red back to blue for maybe about a minute. So it works pretty fast to clear up that Lysol that I just sprayed. I hope that you found this video helpful. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel and thank you for watching.